Okay, I'm trying to make it over to the creek. I forgot my snowshoes. Kind of difficult because it's up over my knees. Oh, the creek is frozen and flooded. It's awesome.
I don't think this person made it up the hill. I don't think this car made it up the hill. Look, all those plows going up Shady Grove Road. Why aren't they coming in here? Here's another one.
Here we are, snowed in up Briardale Road. You're just gonna have to take the bus to work.
I have to take the bus to work,
Take
man.
the bus to work.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to work like with this.
This is our
snow
hill.
all over me.
It's got 30 inches of snow on it. This is Blizzard 2016, Sunday. The snow stopped yesterday. No plows came. No snow plow came. There's 30 inches of snow on the road.
We're stuck.
This is
here.
Briardale Road up here.
We're stuck.
Just make sure everybody knows
It's past my knees.
you're standing in the middle of the road too.
I'm standing in the middle of the road on Briardale. Snow's past my knees. I don't think I'm coming to work tomorrow. This is crazy. We gotta try to walk up Shady Grove Road. See what's going on up there.
Okay, let's get in the tire rut.
I may introduce a little thing here. Hold on. A lot of people walked up this trail.
Yeah, there's a 6-foot obstruction of snow between here and Shady Grove Road. See the light's green.
People in the middle of Shady Grove Road.
The light's green, but we can't go because there's a 6-foot wall of snow there. 5 or 6 foot wall of snow there at the end of Briardale Road. Dan's climbing over the wall of snow, going at Shady Grove Road. Dan climbed over the wall of snow, going at Shady Grove. Walk up to it now. Kids are playing in the middle of the road. Kids are playing in the middle of the road. They're sitting in the median. Oh, it's a snow blockade right here. They trapped us in here. We're trapped. Looks like Shady Grove Road is clear. But as you can see, this is the entrance to Briardale. And you can see there's not going to be anything coming in right there for a while, probably. It's walk back there to it, Dana. That's Briardale Road right there. You can see the stoplights up here. Well, they're turning red. I gotta get out of the road because there's so much traffic coming. Okay, so I think we probably gonna walk back down Briardale Road now. What do you think? Walk back down Briardale Road now?
Yeah.
It's kind of like slightly obstructed here.
Just a little.
I think they're doing this on purpose so people can't get out of the neighborhoods and get out
Yeah.
on the main roads.
That's what I think.
We deserve a 5% tax refund because they're not running the plows on the access roads. It doesn't matter if they plow a parking lot or not. We ain't getting through that until they move it.
Exactly.
Need a front end loader to move that.
I need somebody to come
That's
pick
all
me
it
up
is.
tomorrow.
Yep. Okay. So now, I guess we walk back down.
And now we gotta walk back up that giant hill. Oh,
You gonna walk back
I
up?
didn't think about that part.
What part?
Walking back up the giant hill.
Oh yeah. We gotta walk back up the unplowed giant hill.
Yeah, that's gonna be the fun part.